Morning in the Amazon is a symphony.
Some birds build homes that swing in the wind.
A village high above the ground.
Because safety is built, not found.
In this forest, color is language. Some birds don't fly. They perform.
Every part of the body is designed to survive.
And survival includes attracting a partner.
One choice decides the next generation.
The Amazon is never truly quiet.
Even water is dangerous.
Because the river is always watching. One shadow and everything moves.
Predators wait for mistakes. And they strike without warning.
The hunt happens in seconds. Escape is an art.
Even strong beaks don't stop fear.
Then the forest pretends nothing happened.
But the day is not finished.
Because night brings new birds.
Some hunters prefer darkness. In the Amazon, rivers are highways for birds.
Some wait and strike with perfect timing.
One clean dive, one meal.
Patience is a hunting skill. Even drying feathers is part of survival. The Amazon sky belongs to color.
Every feather carries identity.
And bonds here last for life.
Not all birds live in silence. Food must be taken fast before someone else arrives.
Small birds survive with speed and precision.
One mistake means hunger. But predators never stop watching. Fear spreads in a heartbeat. In the Amazon, survival is teamwork. And the next generation is always protected.
because every chick is the future.
But danger moves silently.
Sometimes, even small birds fight back.
Even predators know when to leave.
And some birds survive by pure energy.
Fuel is everything.
Deep inside the Amazon, beauty wakes with the sun. This forest hides the most colorful birds on Earth.
And the first call signals the start of a new day.
The toucan, built like a masterpiece.
In the Amazon, food is a daily mission.
Macaws fly like living fire across the sky.
Every feather is a warning and a signal.
Even birds here use nature as medicine.
The smallest bird burns energy like fire.
Every second is survival.
Some birds look like they belong to another time.
And some strike like lightning. Stillness can be hunting.
Above them all, the watcher waits.
One flight controls the forest.
Even the smallest voices shape the jungle. Because life begins quietly.
And survival starts from the first bite.
In the Amazon, beauty is always hunted.
Fear travels faster than sound.
Rain is the Amazon's heartbeat.
And every feather becomes armor.